Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. I am fine and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God, and your loved ones are safe and happy. Now viewers are watching the best and trendy collections of raincoats. These raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors, especially raincoats specially made for any season. Completely waterproof and windproof, excellent romantic hooded raincoats. Dear guys, if you want to see much more collections about fashion, so please visit my YouTube channel Fashion Forever and search videos about your own choice like leather dresses, latex leather dresses, hunter boots, rain boots, satin silk dresses, satin silk night dresses, night robes, couple night suits, party dresses, wedding guest dresses, engagement dresses, and much more collections of raincoats you can see on my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. Hey guys, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you. Be careful.